Shopify is one of the most popular platforms for building and running an online store. It is designed so anyone, even without coding or technical experience, can create a professional e-commerce website, sell products, accept payments, and manage business operations from one dashboard. Whether you're starting a small boutique or expanding an existing business, Shopify provides the tools to help you launch quickly and grow efficiently. This guide walks you through how to use Shopify step by step, from setting up your store to managing orders and marketing your products. 1. Creating your Shopify account. To begin, go to Shopify's website and click Start Free Trial. Shopify typically offers a trial period, allowing you to experiment with the platform before paying. You'll create an account using your email address and answer a few questions about what you're selling and your experience level. These questions help Shopify recommend the best tools for your business. After creating the account, you enter your Shopify admin dashboard, the control center of your online store. From here, you manage everything: products, orders, customers, storefront, design, and apps. 2. Setting up your online store. A. Choosing a Shopify theme. Shopify provides both free and paid themes you can use to design your storefront. 2. Choose a theme. 1. Go to online store gives themes. 2. Browse the theme store. 3. Preview themes to see how they look. 4. Click Add and then Publish to apply the theme. Themes are customizable. You can change colors, fonts, images, layouts, and homepage sections using Shopify's drag and drop editor. No coding is required, but advanced users can edit theme code if needed. 3. Adding products. Products are the heart of your store. To add one, go to products gives add product. 2. Enter the title, description, and images. 3. Set your price. 4. Add inventory details like SKU and stock quantity. 5. Add shipping information, weight, size. 6. Categorize products using collections and tags. Shopify also supports variants. For example, if you sell a shirt in multiple sizes or colors. Tips for strong product listings: use high-quality photos. Write clear, persuasive descriptions. Include sizing or material information. Add keywords to help customers find items. For organizing collections, a collection groups related items, such as new arrivals, best sellers, men's clothing, or sale. Collections make your store easier to navigate. To create one, go to products gives collections. 2. Choose manual. You pick items or automated items added based on rules like price or tag. 3. Add a description and images if needed. Organized collections improve user experience and help customers find what they want faster. 5. Setting up payments. Shopify integrates with many payment providers. The most common is Shopify Payments, which allows customers to pay using major credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. To enable payments, 1. Go to Settings gives payments. 2. Select Shopify Payments or a third-party service, PayPal, Stripe, etc. 3. Enter your business and bank account information. Shopify Payments charges transaction fees depending on your pricing plan, but it is easy to set up and fully integrated into Shopify's dashboard. 6. Setting up shipping and delivery. Proper shipping settings ensure customers see accurate shipping options at checkout. Go to Settings gives shipping and delivery to configure shipping zones, countries, or regions you ship to. Shipping rates: flat rate, free shipping, calculated shipping, local pickup, or local delivery. Carrier rates FedEx, UPS, DHL. You can also print shipping labels through Shopify if you fulfill orders yourself. 7. Configuring taxes. Shopify can automatically calculate most taxes based on your location. Go to Settings, Gives Taxes and Duties, review your region, and confirm if automatic calculations are turned on. 8. Customizing your domain name. Your Shopify store starts with a default domain like yours to rename .myshopify.com. Steps: 1. Go to Settings, Gives Domains. 2. Buy directly through Shopify or connect a domain from another provider. Once connected, the custom domain becomes your main website address. 9. Installing Shopify apps. The Shopify App Store provides thousands of apps that add new features such as email marketing tools, product review apps, SEO optimization, dropshipping apps, Oberlo, Spocket, SERS, print-on-demand tools, inventory management systems. To install an app: 1. Go to Apps in the left menu. 2. Browse or search for needed features. 3. Click Install. Apps help you expand your business without hiring a developer. 10. Managing orders. When a customer makes a purchase, you'll be notified in your admin to manage orders. 1. Go to Orders. 2. Review order details, items, customer info, payment, status. 3. Fulfill the order by preparing shipping. 4. Print packing slips or labels if necessary. 5. Mark the order as fulfilled. Customers receive automated emails throughout the process. 11. Using Shopify Analytics. Shopify provides built-in analytics that help you understand your store's performance. You can view total sales, traffic sources, conversion rates, customer behavior, product performance. Analytics allow you to make better business decisions, adjust marketing, and improve your store. 12. Marketing your Shopify store. Shopify includes tools for marketing, but you can also integrate external services. Built-in Shopify marketing tools, email campaigns, discount codes, abandoned cart recovery, SEO settings for product pages, external marketing options, Facebook and Instagram ads, TikTok ads, Google Shopping integration, influencer marketing, content marketing blogs. Inside the marketing section, you can create campaigns directly from the Shopify dashboard. 13. Launching your store. Before making your site public, check product descriptions and images. Test checkout, review shipping settings. Set up legal pages, refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service. Ensure your domain works. When ready, remove the password by going to Online Store Gives Preferences. Your Shopify store is now live and ready for customers. Using Shopify is straightforward because the platform is designed to guide you through every step of launching and managing an online store, from choosing a theme to adding products, setting up payments, installing apps, and marketing your brand. Shopify offers all the tools needed to run a successful e-commerce business. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced seller, Shopify provides flexibility, scalability, and ease of use. This guide walks you through how to use Shopify step by step, from setting up your store to managing orders and marketing your products.